this space. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Now, take a long, deep breath. Inhale slowly, filling your chest and belly with air. Then, very slowly, exhale all the tiredness and distracting thoughts along with your breath. Once more, inhale and feel your body expand. Exhale and feel your body soften. Your body is becoming softer and more peaceful with each moment. Gently bring your awareness to the space between your eyebrows. Imagine that in your inner world, a door made of moonlight appears. It radiates a soft, cool glow, as if inviting you inside. You reach out your hand and push it open effortlessly. Beyond the door lies a space you have never imagined. You are standing inside a clock tower of impossible size. But there is no cold steel here, no noisy ticking. Before you are countless giant gears carved from single pieces of crystal. They shimmer with a warm luster, turning silently at an incredibly slow, majestic pace. The air is filled with the scent of stardust and time itself. The light comes not from lamps, but from a captured river of stars flowing between the gears. You look up, and the dome of the clock tower is the deep cosmos itself, with nebulas slowly drifting by. You don't perceive the passage of time, only a deep and steady resonance. It is not a sound, but a vibration, like the heartbeat of the universe. Now, take a few steps forward to the center of the clock tower. Standing here, you can feel that grand, stable rhythm more clearly. Now, please look within. Imagine your anxious, scattered thoughts as countless small gears, spinning frantically, colliding with each other, creating a grating noise. They spin so fast, consuming your energy, leaving you exhausted. Don't worry. At this very moment, the grand, steady resonance of the clock tower begins to enter your inner world. This force, like a giant magnet, attracts those chaotic little gears. Feel it now as your inner gears involuntarily begin to slow down. They no longer clash with one another. Instead, guided by that cosmic rhythm, they begin to try to synchronize with the giant crystal gears. Slower and slower. You can feel the inner friction and noise diminishing. Those once disordered, frantically spinning gears are being recalibrated one by one. They are finding their proper place and pace, beginning to resonate in harmony with the rhythm of the entire universe. Gears within you are perfectly integrated with the gears of the astral clock tower. All friction has vanished, all noise has ceased. All that remains is harmonious, smooth and silent operation. For the first time, your inner clock is aligned with the cosmos. You feel an unprecedented sense of order, certainty, and deep tranquility. Rest here for a moment in this profound peace. giant crystal gears continue their slow, silent turning behind you, but your inner sense of order has been reestablished. You turn, walk back to the moonlight door, and gently close it behind you. You have brought that cosmic rhythm and tranquility back with you into your body. Your awareness slowly returns to the physical sensations of your body. Feel your hands, your feet. And when you are ready, you can slowly